Let's go, massive. So nice and easy. It is actually, today is a Friday. So we're gonna catch the Friday vibe over here in Portmore. As I said, it's a series, so this is the first one of its kind right here now, starting over here on Jamaica Walk By. So I'll be doing a lot of different parts of Portmore. So you can probably, if you're a Portmore person, jump in at the comment section right now and comment which part of Portmore you want to see. Blessed love all my Jamaica Walk By, how easy. Jesus and peace, me sharpie, man. Boy, me have to roll out a dark and see that one here. Massive look good now, man. Look how Jamaica beautiful. A Portmore me there. The place where they make it sun. The place which part the sun just start. And two things you know about Portmore for true, you know. Mosquito and sun. So massive, as me can tell you this, I will be starting my Portmore series today. So if you're from Portmore, if you know all about Portmore, if I your place where you grew up and all them things that fear video this. So use personally if you start like the video now. Start even comment before me even start. Before me even tell you which part me actually I go walk from. Does no say Portmore be there. So if you hear me say Portmore, start like the video now. Me a wait now, man. Come now, man. Me a wait, man. Because I'm excited for that one now. The Portmore series officially kickstart right about now on Jamaica Walk By. But guess what? I am not alone. Me a go walk with like a tour guide within a tour guide, or a person where born and grow yas a film stamping ground, run up and down place. And buck off him two of them and all them things there. Probably take pan two sardine pan and chop out in ankle side. You know what thing go? A film place, a film ground. So in this video now that you there watch and thing, you want to know me, them I go tell you. So we're gonna walk a little piece of South Boro, right there so, onto the roundabout. You understand? And then we're gonna head onto official Braeton Parkway. Many of you guys just call a place a Pines. You know, whole a Pines Road or rare. Ask me why I don't know, but I look on the map of Braeton Parkway name, but as some people go cuss me and say, yeah man, I put more Pines. Same thing. So that's how we are going to walk. So we're going to walk the entire stretch. So massive, stay tuned. Lucky now. The vibe are going to start. I'm mad sitting, man. So before me jump in at that and kickstart the walk, come in Grace Walks. Them me da wonder who's still in there, but no, them know a film grub. That's a code, the man. Manners and respect, my brother. You know, see how we duck out in a white and thing? A cricket match. It look like a cricket match I play.
Why for his son? Half it out here in a white.
But no ball, you know. So, we're ready, massive. So, we're going to walk the entire Braeton Parkway, Pines, all of this, so Price Mart, all of them places. So, tell me some place. You know some place. Your place.
So you have Price Mart, you have Sovereign, you have the Sunshine Plaza, you have the great Uptown Portmore.
The police station, our police station name again? I famous 100 man.
100 man, the famous 100 man.
So we are going to walk past 100 man. I show on a piece side too.
We're actually in Uptown Portmore. Uptown.
But so Portmore, they have a Uptown too?
Yes. Where you find the nice Angway Plaza, that's the Uptown where you, that nice event keep.
So Sunday.
A
mad city.
People, so that's where we are. You can't stay there, man.
So massive, you can look in at the description below and I go see him channel right at the top. Yo, just subscribe to. Yo, some good people in our world, help them. Him is one of them. So when you see me and him have to link up so much, me deal good people. So subscribe to him channel, get into some numbers and make you all we can benefit from this. So it's on wicked, it's on hot, and this is going to take a lot out of it. So let's do it. Without further ado, you ready?
Ready.
All right, let's go, massive. So let's do it. Make sure exactly where we are start from. Yes, massive. So right there now you have a little piece of South Boro. You understand? Me I go flick out my map so we are going to walk and talk so you can fully understand which part we're there. And this is the roundabout. Grace, what did I make me know say the other roundabout down there so still a little far. Not really far, just like 5 minutes down the road. But me tell you, say, listen to me now, man. Me know say sun now get no cooler, you know. So it's just really houses and thing they right there, so we decided to just jump off of South Boro and jump onto Braeton Parkway and just do the do just like that. And him say I'm alright with that. Yeah. You understand? That road, what the road name again?
Bridgeport Road.
It's a Bridgeport Road. Alright, so massive gonna get a full description as to where we're there. So remember I'm linking in the description and me and him go walk and talk and showcase the beauty of Jamaica. And yeah, the Portmore series officially start. Many people been asking me for this, and today is the day. So
original South Boro South Boro scheme.
Yeah, and you know, me just walk past the sign. Hold on there, man. Me couldn't walk past the sign, man. Me say me want video it a while ago, and I say, hold on. Give me a moment. We can't walk that stretch and me not show the great sign, man. Yeah. So I can see exactly. Look good now, man. See it there? Welcome to South Boro. You get me? Yeah, sign want a look up Bruce up and sitting still, but yeah, you know where you go. Let's go, man. So not like, whoa. For this one, I'm going to ram for walk underneath some tree. All right. Let's do this. Why give thanks to them tree? Jesus and peace.
Good medicine.
My brother.
Neem bush.
Neem bush. So it's actually good for something. What good for?
It could come like Cersei.
Okay, Dr. Siba.
Yes. So it's a bush where you can use and boil. It's 2 times better than Cersei.
2 times? Me not go drink that then. Me hardly can drink Cersei, my friend.
Just grow natural. Natural all about.
Is that shop this?
Yes, that's right. Just grow natural.
Hello. Oh, blessed good day, my sister. Look at me dark as too dark. Me not even see you. Yeah, me can get a water. You have small water. Like a water that? No, alright, give me one water then. Because you know where you go. I tell you, massive, listen to me now, man. If I'm not drinking water, sorry for you.
Yeah.
Oh, you have any root? Cold? You know cold.
You want root temperature?
Why Jamaican talk like that? You know cold.
Well,
Alright, me can't have it. How much for it? 100? Why? We say 120?
yeah.
Alright, there. I hold this on my mommy. Let me just take out my goods.
Why you eat here? Instead of them a come. Alright.
May I take out the silver for you, yeah, mommy?
Tang. Tang. Are they coming? You call him? It's not come at you. Okay. Oh.
Hold on
I
there.
sent him to check you yesterday. Yeah, I'm in a see him. And he not come, so he tell me say.
Oh, me find the right amount now. Here you go, my church sister. Alright, that's what I want. Thank you so much. Have a good day, yeah? Good evening. Yeah, so you see me, I know?
Yeah.
Water don't sponsor the video, you know? But me have to talk it through now. Listen to me good in grace. You drink this?
Yep.
You drink this?
Yep.
Alright. So people have to ask me, say, no man, walk by. Water a sponsor you differently, you just not talk. I'm telling you the truth, water is not a sponsor of this video. And I always see, even when me there in my yard, me talk about the product here. You see this though?
Yeah.
Me don't feel like this just filter and purified very good. You see me drink this, me actually feel like me quench me thirst.
Not just good, but affordable.
And it is very, very affordable.
Yes.
But me try some of the dearer prices one thing and me still not get the taste when me get from that one. Yeah. But then again, let me show you the next thing too. Water big up on yourself, you know. I'm not sponsor it, but me talk it truth.
Yeah.
I 2 things me love about it. Me talk about the purification part, right? Me reach a 3.
Yeah.
But you see this now in your water.
Yeah.
Water.
Double A.
It's not water, you know.
Yeah.
Water.
Yeah.
So you know, it's a Jamaican thing. Yo, my teacher, mad respect, you know. Maybe see like I now make a block up the road.
What you think, doctor?
Yeah. Big up every time, you hear my boss. That is it.
Yeah.
So, big up all of my subscribers, them and everybody will watch the videos, them same way.
Right.
But watch me now. This just have the right size.
Yes.
When you drink this, it come like say you quench your thirst. It just give you the right amount. So what you get what me I say now?
Yeah.
So for the price, for how it purify and in the water. So sometimes I have foreigner coming to Jamaica and I can't give them water. Them they are Jamaica, I have to give them water. Let me say come my, yeah, you don't want some water. And that me do about it now. Water. You see me? So, big up to water. Even though they don't sponsor me, but I choose me attack. Most of the car can feel me, my friend. Car. And this is going to give me right amount of water.
Right now.
Yeah, for the journey. Look how me just talk about one whole segment of water, brother. But as what I say, I'm an honest youth. I don't watch Ray, but I just have to talk about when me know work for me.
And a free promotion.
Yeah,
I like the brand.
Me like this.
Yeah.
I love this. I mean, I'm yard of this, my boy. Cause it suit me right. You understand? And I'm telling you, you can go one go if you feel like, but it tastes so good sometimes, bro. And I think what really catch me first, how it tastes and the right amount. With the other one, them is either back too little.
Yeah.
Me have to go buy 2 or 3,
yeah.
and then them will come at the same price.
And at the same time, too, it's very refreshing. Some of the other water them have salt content tonight. You didn't know that?
Oh yeah, when they say they use to purify it.
So that keep you thirsty, that keep you for one by another one and another one. As a man, you do merchandise, you kind of learn a little thing there. So, you know? So, there's a way for marketing.
Brother,
Yeah.
so good.
Ah,
So massive over there at Portmore.
yeah.
Portmore City,
The sun hot.
which are the sun make. Cause it come like it closer to over yesterday than the whole of Jamaica. You see me? So
They say there's a next place in Jamaica and where the sun hot. But I think so that place the sun hotter than here. So.
which part that?
You have a place down a country.
Down a country?
Yeah, one little place down a country. But then say you know one sink. Yeah? Yeah. What they call that little place again?
Santa Cruz?
Santa Cruz, the same way.
Oh.
It's the hottest place in Jamaica.
Me don't know about that.
Eh?
Them not come at Portmore yet.
Santa Cruz, I tell you, say, check into Portmore and know son, and yes, a son make.
Yes, I son make man. So we're upon sitting there right now. Braeton Parkway.
Yeah.
You see me? So this is a community. Me say this have no sign right. Oh yeah, it does.
Boro.
Welcome to South Boro. Why over here? Oh, so the community of South Boro, but with the Braeton Parkway.
Yeah.
I got you. Mad, we not travel, my teacher. Alright, hold on, so I'm been there, because you know, we have practice no littering.
No dirty up Jamaica.
Yeah, man, then we stop it.
Yeah.
See, they look good. So we put the water in the bin. It's so good to see one bin, right? So.
Yeah.
So massive on the lock in, big up and respect, we just go through.
You know, cleanliness, is that so what?
Godliness, man.
That is
Who don't know that by now, man, they're just born.
That is
From Portmore, bro. You know, one time I normally say, I'm not sure if I can live so close to the road like a main road, but cause right now this house is actually the fence and everything from the main road, you know.
Why? I always see it and I look at it and I say, boy, it's like you live out a door.
Yeah, I really so it feels still. I'm not go around now.
Everything walk outside, you easily hear it from the inside.
From inside.
Yeah.
So as a Portmore man, how that work out for you?
Well,
You walk with a rag guy, you sweat like hog already, you know.
I tell you, brother, my son, you know, you used to it, but I tell you, as a original Portmore man,
With the Neval Park.
yeah, it's not every housing scheme are the same over here. It might look the same, but you have some housing scheme over here where the houses are not joint. Yeah, and all of them joint. Yeah, so, you know, some people used to it, some people not used to it, but I don't think I could ever get used to that.
Yeah, me neither. Me's a country youth. Me use a whole heap of big yard space and sort of something, my brother. Yes. So true.
Yeah, man.
There's one big open land here. What do you do with that one? Why that land just empty, some boss?
So, over there, sir, it's supposed to be, I heard, allegedly, over the years, that a hospital is supposed to go over there.
A hospital?
Yeah. And Portmore cannot be a parish without a hospital.
Yeah, because I say them a try work for that this turn Portmore in a one parish.
Yeah, it can't officially become a parish without a hospital.
Without a hospital.
Over there, right now work are going over there, land a break over there. So them a build up some wall structure, them a dig the land, test it, the sturdiness of the land if it's water soak.
Yeah.
So all of this allegedly, as I say, should be
One hospital. When I see that massive,
yeah.
so all of that big empty land, land big, I can right down to that side.
Garvin in Westchester side. Yeah.
You see a place beautiful, I like how them could tree that's on both sides. I try to get some breeze. We get breeze still now, but we just hot.
Hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A mad thing, man.
Continue your journey.
So it's a good walk, massive, so listen to me, man. And just make it think, go and run on the phone, run on the TV, and you just listen. And look what go on. You understand? Yeah, on in tune to Jamaica Walk By and Grace Walk Vlog TV. Portmore with it. Yes, man, let's go. So big up to everybody who actually on the video right now. Everybody who actually like the video. Look at this. So this is how Portmore is set up. Well, not all of Portmore. Majority of it, but yeah. Yeah, man. We're there. Well, the map actually right. We're still there in a South Borough for real. So, all of us are really South Borough. We now go on to Braeton Parkway. So, right, so it's really South Borough for real. So, me get that wrong a while ago. Really, that little piece of South Borough. And when we cross over the intersection up there, so is where Braeton Parkway start. So, this is probably South Borough housing scheme in a Portmore. You see me? See it here? Nice, clean. Yeah. Welcome to South Borough. Yeah, hold on. Alright, your wallet in the car, you want it? Me rock stone. Me think, one time I see me think of pace, all the lights and everything there, you know. Mighty God. Big up yourself, fire. Man, as me teacher. But I look at it, I see it and I want to have a pace, but I want to have a style.
Sometimes a style.
So, by the time you say, as me I go say it to you, say, Godfather, a pace wallet on the car, all the lights in there.
But you not think you're serious.
No, we're not traveling with teacher. All in lights and everything, and I boy ain't hurt him all like the idea when he realized that drop off. Good day, I said, what me do with my wallet? Oh my word. Oh, hey, sometimes I say, yo, thank God for weed and thank God for mankind more while, you know, he probably a driver and say, blow out, they save me, you know. I can't believe I left my wallet for the car, tell me that. Go see a cuss out of some people and say, you take up my wallet, you know. Thief my wallet.
Want my wallet there?
Jaja do star, yeah. Come on, say me left my wallet in the car.
Yeah.
I want to thief out the wallet.
I was a search up my thing them.
Yeah. And I ain't left it on the car top, you know. Oh my word.
People them think that style.
Yeah. Yes, massive, we're walking. Good afternoon. Yeah. I am saying one man, come here man. Nobody run man, we are run God man, you can't just say what I run God. Big up yourself here. Heart of love. I said, mommy trouble a while ago and take well left the trouble. I better say she not even know so she's a fitting idea. Mommy say, who that? Walk by?
You're visiting Portmore, coming back to Portmore because this is not your first time in Portmore. It agro. A whole heap of people are surprised and a whole heap of people are love it.
The thing is, bro, I don't know people are asking me before that Portmore.
Yeah.
I say, yo, I can't just do one video in a Portmore and then cut. I have to go do a series.
Yeah. Because Portmore big.
Yeah, man, it's a massive cut, man. You see me? All of them alley, you know, people can drive through them. No, you can't drive through them. See them put.
Yeah, some people do drive.
No, but see them put a post there, right in the center road. Yeah. So that means them block off the traffic. So I just all live right as alone. Look like they can come in and out.
Because once upon a time, it would look a bit trouble.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so no man can run through this and run out back. Yeah. Godfather, manners. Yeah. I know me hear the flagging, you know. Right. I want kite in the sky.
Sunshine City known for that, man. Youths over here still keep the kite tradition going.
Yeah, I love that thing. That's something I love, but I could never successfully make one kite to stay up there.
Yeah, yo.
No matter what me do, brother, none of my kite them. 2 minutes the longest them stay up at that.
Yeah, yo. And my brother used to have to build a kite for me, but live next door to me. I said, yo. Me a nice kite because I don't care. Oh, me try my kite them.
My kite them care. Stay up in the sky. I don't know why. So, big up to all like professional kite maker them. But actually know if you do it. They have the physics right. Me can't do it. But big up. Well, massive them. When you used to fly kite? Who used to fly kite right now? Jump in the comment section, man. Tell me secret, tell me socks. We probably can start trying now. If somebody give me one nice remedy, I'll see how to make it. Good evening. Yes, man. Machine. I know me hear it a long time, you know, bro. Alright, so when we tell them say as soon as now we cross the intersection here, we come off of South Boro now and go on Braeton Parkway.
Over there, so it's Newland community.
Newland.
Yeah, well-known community in the area. Well known. Understand?
We say well known. Yeah, the on your left. Right.
Garrison area. Yeah?
Nago Head. Yeah, my family live in Nago Head, you know.
Yeah, man.
Now we not travel my teacher, manners. So Nago is the area. My family live in Nago Head.
Yeah.
And then you have Newland. See all the sign there with the youth. They on it.
So this straight road is Newland Road.
Whole I road itself?
Yeah, Newland Road. All of this is Newland Road. Carry on back to Portmore Road.
We are going to go straight across in that direction. We just wait for the light. I know where you go. Alright, this look like a way now. Hold this to me there, my boss. And move. Yeah, man, you can't walk with it, man. I just want to catch a kite there in the sky. No, we're not traveling. Yeah, me try to catch a kite in the sky. I have to catch a kite in the sky. Yeah, man, you don't have to hold this attention, man. You have to light him, you can't tremble. You see it? Manners, my teacher. Yeah. You know how long Elder short me name see Elder? Yeah. Why me not like Portmore series is going to be nice. Jamaica Walk By, big up. My boy said, what we depend? Serious walk, massive. We there not Portmore, we there now in a place. So it's sweet. Yeah, massive breeze a blow still in about the sun hot in a man, but we are going and do it. So big up to everybody who watched thus far. We're walking a community called Portmore in Jamaica, which is the biggest housing scheme in Jamaica, which you have housing scheme inside of housing scheme. You understand? So I see talks where they're trying to get Portmore to become a parish, so we can now have 14 parishes. You understand? Yeah? And when I tell me all here, say, we did have way more parishes, about 15 or so parishes or so. 16. But some of them merged them up and cut down the parishes them. And they can tell me how true it is. You understand? So, thank you so much for joining me. I tell you, it's a beautiful walk. So we just walked from South Boro and now we're on to Braeton Parkway. And we are walking entire Braeton Parkway. Yeah. So far the first shopping center may look like it afford in a view. What this one called Sunrise Square. You hear again? Sunrise Square.
Yeah, man. So over there you have the gym. A gym up there, you have juice, natural juice bar over there. Yeah. And on the other side of it, you have a well-known hardware slash with sand bed. You can buy sand, you can buy gravel. Yes. So all of these trucks are from the hardware over there.
The hardware.
Yeah, man.
It's a good prices.
Good price. Good
On them you can shout out the hardware. I wonder what their name.
Bill all them money, black, everything.
Let me see if it's signed upon that. So we say Lifestyle Fitness over there, 876. Over there, Terrence. And I say Barbershop. I say Saints Barbershop. I say, I don't know if a Christian juice cafe that, but
Yeah, one Christian juice cafe over there.
I think that I say,
Sure.
hold on, I walk one. Them juice are the right as a casual in a bus stop. Probably a sell out cheap.
That's strange.
Yeah, kind of strange. I don't know. Probably have to just take off them off of the truck. Oh, yeah, massive. There it is. Oh, it is. You can't even see sign good.
So it's a
El Juice Cafe.
Yeah. So after you leave the gym, you can come downstairs and get a
A nice smoothie.
nice smoothie.
Oh, see, I must see hardware part this.
Yeah, this is a hardware. M&R, you know?
Oh. MRM. MRM Building Material Company. Big up on yourself. Now go on good.
All of them truck you off them.
Yeah, which is right. Massive, but not even reached 30 minutes yet. Let's go. Why taxi them are run over here? Bad pro box. I must even know me. It's not a narrating video. You understand? We not narrate, we just a walk through and show them exactly what the place looks like. You see me? Yeah. Man. So even over there, so you see some communities and things up on the other side. Mad. Eh?
Newland community.
Over there, so on our left. So as Grace Walk say, original Newland community. And we left over there, so you see me?
But Newland, never said Braeton is three of the first garrison community in Portmore. Original.
So what they mean do? They mean dead already?
Yeah, them there from
Before over here turned Portmore?
Yeah, before over here it got developed. So, you know?
Yeah, I got you. You have a multi-pit here, so. Boy, boy. We're not going too bad enough.
So far, so good.
Because then, you know, people still cuss me, say I walk too fast. So sometimes I try to count and I step them as I go through. You know them vibe there?
Well, I go through the same thing, you know. Why sometimes when you do the content, you just sweet, you know, you don't even know how fast you are.
Ah,
Yeah. And you put in the work.
that's true, man. Boy, boy. Well, one thing I like though is that sun hot, but we get some breeze. Watch I carry my speeder. So, this is the multi-pit. Mad. Let's go.
Either way, a restaurant around here, so enough people don't know. Nice little setting.
Eh?
Yeah, man, you have a nice little restaurant around here, so nice little city.
We're driving 2 years, huh?
Yeah, man.
I'm going right
While
now.
your car work on or whatever.
Check here.
Yeah, you can get nice meal served right.
Right around there, so.
Yeah, man.
Why I say I go on, Grace? When you give me 2 pull out of the beast?
Anything there.
Come on, give me 2 pull out of the beast, man. Where's it? Oh, I don't know.
Right now.
Man, can give me 2 pull out of the beast, man. Yes, man. So, massive, we're moving. Why I say from what I normally I go so hard. But back in the groove of walking, you know what I mean? So weird. Come here. Come here, Grace. Eh? You one kite crash. Oh yeah, see that? One kite crash.
Kite goes straight up.
One
So
kite.
over here says a storage unit.
And that's how I call you.
Yeah.
After me never know about
Yeah.
the storage unit.
Storage unit over here.
See that? Commercial storage unit for rent. Bro, I didn't even, a foreign alone, me see them I sit now. I didn't even know, say, Jamaica did have storage unit place. So massive now you know, see that? Good amount of them too. See them? Long line gone down the road. Yeah, Grace. So massive you can get storage unit for renting at the Portmore area. See kite ya? Why kite ya suffer defeat?
Yeah. Defeated by the mighty Portmore.
Yeah man. So, storage unit. Man. So massive some things me I put on hand pan. Well, all me I learned to, cause I didn't even know say Portmore had that.
So this is Portmore Pines Plaza.
This?
Yeah, Portmore Pines Plaza. One of the original plaza from a longer time built here before suffering and all the other plaza. This is the original one, otherwise from the Portmore Mall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what Grace I say other than the Portmore Mall, this is one of original plaza them.
You have every little thing on the plaza.
Over here, so.
Island Grill. You have, you know.
Yeah, me see Island Grill inside.
Yeah.
Me see that's Rain Raw.
One of the best
Yeah,
Chinese.
blessed me teacher, heart, I love everything good.
Yeah, man.
That is it man, blessings man, every time.
Whether the well-known
Yeah.
Chinese, these are Portmore people buy that food religiously.
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 I'm mad sitting there man. What we say about is Pines liquor
Yeah,
and beverages over here too.
Yeah, man.
I sit there.
Here people, they have a nice little ice cream
Yeah.
place right there.
Oh, I eat me a talk, look like I eat name so. Yeah man.
Yeah, people.
Yeah. The church sister them just roll in. Yeah. That's a code man. Nice little spot. See a singer the cross. Oh, the plaza gone over back to over that side there too.
ILO side. So.
Yeah man, figure that.
Yeah, man.
Nice little vibe. We can walk, we probably can walk through it.
Yeah, 'cause you can walk
Auntie.
through and come back right down here.
Yeah. But I just refresh them memory, make them look on it good, you see me? That's a cool. Alright, let's go. Go walk through it. Oh my word. I'm really enjoying this. I have to be honest with you. So this is the Island Grill drive-through. Yeah.
Bank over here, you have a Saturday over here.
Yeah, Sun City still over here?
Yes, man. See the radio station icon right there. See that?
Yeah. When me in an artist life, you know what I mean? Remember me do an interview over Sun City a few times. So big up to Fire Wayne.
Yeah.
You understand me I say? No joke, no doubt.
Big up weed seed, you know.
Yeah, weed seed
That
too.
billings and
Big up to
one
weed
drop
seed.
out.
You have somebody else over there where
See them a drive out there too.
we're great.
See Sound City there that drive.
Yeah, see that? Sound City. Alright, massive. Portmore with it. Look good now, man.
Sure.
Yeah, man, we in a them place, man. Like a we yard. Yes, man. Beautiful. This is life, yeah? Good day, mommy. Ah, man. So, must you see me, I take me a little time for me to see the place.
No,
So, all of them, yeah, we not rush it, man. All of them will look back on the plaza, come out of the way there, my boss. I go say, bro, I used to run up and down, I used to normally come by. So now I get to look if you can see all like place them on normally go. Like the Little Tokyo, Marathon, Duns. There's so much place me see over here, so same way, you see me? Excelsior down there, so. Sagicor Bank there, so. So yeah, nice vibes. Is it? Let's go.
you can continue on the next side.
Eh?
You can walk straight through.
I want to walk go through? Yeah. Alright, I can do that then.
Now you still have more things on the other side where people yet for know say this is new.
A singer?
Yeah, cause
Singer new over here, so?
because they used to have a small unit around here with the rent.
Yeah.
And now they get this space and so them, you know,
Get a big space.
Yeah, man, you have torpedo loan place around here. Yeah, what if more things over here, person? What if more?
Mad, let's go. Nice vibe, nice energy. Easily.
Yeah.
So all like Portmore people, them a phone on this.
Come like father got turned on me so little bit. Little bit.
Boy, I don't even know if it turn down in or just we are get used to it.
Alright, water.
Alright, water, yeah. So all the bottle of water them I drink and now, that I go just bowl. How them block off this? People have to drive through the water?
No, because they have some man just want when traffic pick
Oh, traffic, then just drive through the oh, then turn road.
This is all new stuff.
Jamaica Police Corporate Credit Union.
Yeah. So the police, them have their
Own credit union.
credit union.
Makes sense.
This is brand new. Yeah. The Chinese them recently buy. This is one.
What name?
This was an IBX building.
Super Home Depot.
Yeah. I will tell you this was supposed to be a movie theater.
A movie theater.
Yeah, but someone else buy it and them had a different plans for it. Some Chinese buy it after, but the movie theater is next door there.
Over that side there.
Over on the other side.
Alright. I see them massive. I wonder what. So is that a Chinese people own it?
This Chinese people own it. They sell from a pin
To an anchor.
literally from a pin to an anchor.
So your name Super Home Depot.
Yeah.
Jaja. Get across there. Man say me not really go down there or thing, me just want. I remember just walk there and see if we can probably like. Him same one man, good blessed, good day. Touch me now man. Everything good. Heart, love and respect, yeah?
Yes.
Go on, I found a place me there now. We're on the series in Portmore, yeah?
Alright.
Big up. Soldier, you good? Big up yourself. I want big up to all my supporters and all my good afternoon.
We love the fact that, you know, even though you cut your ear, people
Oh, them still recognize me.
recognize you easily.
Yeah, not even me recognize me when me cut me hair.
You know, I watch a video this morning. When you have cut your
Yeah.
ear, so you don't know if you're good. When you attach to your ear, my boss.
Yeah, man, that's how it go, man. Sometimes you have to start at you. Rockstone, all the music that them a play and all down here. Nothing. Yeah.
Two of them now, you know?
Yeah, that's a code.
Over Jamaica.
Big up. The Chinese vehicle, I not tell that then tough. So my bro said they sell to a pin to a anchor. Alright, massive. See what it look like, yeah. Auntie. A big man. What the music that I play now, don't give me too much editing, you know. So massive, this is what it look like, see it? So, I could pass through. Yeah, this is how they say you go buy one soul CD, you know, from one Caribbean place, you know, hear that? When girl them do say they love them man there. Yeah, hear that? Ring out. I ain't see one man. Lord God. Mommy, good afternoon. Heart of love. Yeah, man. They say they buy a CD, a soul CD from a Caribbean store, man. Yeah, man. Ooh. Baby, wine for them. Rub him down there. I'm near there. Yeah, man, I rub with the Jamaican there, man. I'm going to tell you. I will go through the part, yeah.
So, ILO, original. ILO.
Yeah. You know what I want you have instead of this? Get one stabilizer one. Because since this done big already and it not stabilize, get one stabilizer one. The one you see me take out of my bag a while ago, it was actually one, you know. But it folded, so it's more easy and it's very small. So instead of having this way to a shake or make your footage lean, you can just get one stabilizer one 3-axle gimbal one. And thing. So let me show them, my subscriber can get him one of the where you just put the phone in it and turn it on and it automatically balance the phone and keep it steady and straight.
Like the gimbal?
Yeah, one gimbal. Like how this have a 3-axle gimbal, it have one. Where you can just put the phone in it and you're good to go. You see me? But yeah. Portmore. I tell them, man, they say over here, all like girl in Jamaica there. Security, what you say? You saying true? What you say true? Yeah?
Security one.
You true me know they're on the work. Me have video so you know. Yeah. They say I woman in city, man. Yeah, you are going like it though. You're good. You got yourself, man. I woman in city with them, man. Jamaica Walk By, we are showcase the whole piece of South Boro, but the whole Braeton Parkway we are walk. Big up yourself, we are continue journey. No, you're not night. You want a night?
No, you're
man. My ball out. If you man, you don't want 2 girlfriends, man, they shout out the TikTok, man, your IG, make them go slide. You're more well ugly. Brother, we don't have no such thing as Jamaica, yeah? Yeah. Oh, we have to go to Orchard and get there. Oh. We just a walk, so bro. Next thing you see, we jump the fence. Oh. So you must say we are head on out. Portmore Pines. That even realize, pass the gate. So we're there upon it.
Silverstone community in a center camera.
So all I massive them way, if you know no Vibes Cartel, so if you watch weird from one part in one place and you don't know what we there, when you hear Vibes Cartel talk about Portmore City, yeah, at the Portmore, yeah. You understand? Yeah. So to all the people that will find this video interesting, yeah man, you know, stick around and watch it because you don't want to see what the place look like and things. No problem with that. Original ring ring. Me blouse and skirt, I can't hear me ears.
Nice, so what is this up?
Somebody set up shop. And today Friday, so maybe a long time thing, it's just that. No, we're not travel, my boss. No, we're not travel. We travel on the better me walk them. Yeah. See, food and thing. Good evening, good afternoon. Yeah. How long now since you're there, sir? Because him live here and he must say first, he must say it. Yeah. And there. That is it. We're on the better me walk them today. Big up my brother. You can feel the breeze now come off I see.
Wow. Come over the
All them a place I see why them wetty. Every breeze man a beer dust.
Right.
Let's go. And why not? That look like a fry. Me like, let me go take a look at discreet walk over here, see why not again. Oh, a fish. All right, mommy. Me think a fried chicken and festival. Godfather. Bless up. Boy, Grace.
Anybody who want to fight?
You really have to go get something smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because once you approach people with that, you see what happens. With this, I know them not really pick up so easy. Me can just.
Pull back, you know?
Yeah.
Original.
See our party, you know. Blessed good evening. What kind of party them, my teacher?
Chicken.
No, I mean like which brand party?
Tasties.
Oh, a Tasties.
Yeah, 2 left, 2 out.
What kind of party? Chicken, you say?
Chicken. And it's tasties. 2 left, 2 out.
Here more chicken and Tasties. A juicy beef me I look for.
It's a juicy beef.
But see, you come and say a Tasties like we say number 1 party.
Hold on, how now video me?
Every time Jamaican see somebody with sitting in their hand, why you have to video them?
Alright.
Tell me why me have to video you. Is there a special reason about you me supposed to have video?
No, sir.
No more, you tell me.
No, sir.
See, yo, why you video me? Why are you videoing me, sir? No, me never see that. Me never see that. What you from your having in your hand, you video me?
No.
Stop playing with my love. I throw away do to me because it's a Jamaican thing.
Hold on, I wanna
Yeah.
them type. I wanna them type of man who grow now. I'm black, yeah.
Oh.
Watch it.
Yeah. Can see them with film. You see the cannon that you have around the neck?
No.
Yeah. A Nikon. Yeah. No man, the whole of Jamaica is we own. We're not illegal now in Jamaica.
Yes, you're legal.
Yeah. But when I say municipal come, you pack you up and cut.
I mean, I have to cut it now. Look here. When I have it on a run.
Go and run the party then, I mean, why? More one night party.
Would you smart because I would have said it and the next man come and then you
Then that no good man, then the business you run.
never had
After the business you run. But that's why I make sure all that in the meantime, I don't want nobody come first me. I don't want nobody come first me.
Don't come ask about party.
Yeah, man.
The man will come one, the man.
Yeah, with the bar and say when the man come, I say, but one money me give me, you know. You could chat long time for you tell me where you are. Yeah. Grace, you want party too?
Yeah, man.
You understand? See there? It look like a wee mean left them for you. Go on. Big up the tastes same way, you understand? But you see, with juicy patties and all, the patty that me grew up on, me love that too.
So you put me up on your side?
You want the patty?
Yeah?
You want the patty?
You have cost?
Yeah?
Are you going to make money off of it?
Me? If me work, me not supposed to want to make money from it.
Big up tasty.
You know far me I walk from? Yeah?
Put me up there now. See?
All right. So what, as a matter of fact, how come this a little bit of patty? Post and 4 patty me want. Where is the patty?
Or you can get full cocoa bread with it.
It's free?
Come on, do it for me, I give you free. 1 Talk to me, no, man. And we can get 2 bag juice free.
I want the bag juice, but I don't want the cocoa bread now, because I don't want too heavy to walk. I have a whole rest of Braeton to go walk. I walk from South Boro. A Jamaica Walk By my name, Fabian my name. Yeah. It's a YouTuber. No, YouTube.
You know that it's illegal to their personal person without them consent.
No, not go so. Not go so. No, once the alternate public. No man, listen to me.
Okay.
Let me teach you. I'm going to teach you, my godfather. Just like how all we night now for learn. Right now, I'm supposed to get record right now. If I look at one of them buildings, you can see be a camera. I video me right now. Then after permission, there's a thing called you're in a public. You're free to record anything in a public space. All police. Lie. You can go.
Depends on what you're recording, what the police are doing. What
No. There's no such thing. There's no.
When we go to the seminar or the meeting, they'll tell me that it is illegal to video a person and publish them without their consent.
No.
That's why I'm supposed to check it out. Yo, check that out.
No. Why a
The
police?
police are doing something illegal and what are they doing? Why you do it?
No, not because. All right, let me tell you something. Not because you don't want me video you means I'm not supposed to. When you come out in a public space, you gave away that right for the filming. You understand what I mean? Just like my house. If me have surveillance camera on my yard, my personal property, and some up out the street and my camera catch it, police have all right to come to me and take it from me. And you know, I don't give it to them, I am withholding evidence. And that is a serious crime. You understand what I say? So you see, once you gave away that right, this is not your private property.
Listen.
You don't have no talk over me with yourself.
Yes.
When you want to talk, no, but no, sir. No, man, when me study too.
When we go to the seminar, we go to the classes.
No, no, make sure so you get it right.
Me get it right. And then tell me we must not do it. Take a picture of a person.
Yeah, what you say?
Video them.
No.
And post it without their consent.
All right.
They say we must not
All right.
do it.
Let me teach you something now since you're there. You know what people send up to YouTube and say, oh, me video them out night street, and they want me to take it out. They say YouTube did an official review and says I'm in the public street that they claim the dash way.
Me know enough man we have paid millions of dollars now for it.
What's up?
Let me tell you about five of them.
And you can't mix up. Listen.
Hand over the man when named Popeye, the big superstar.
How much for them, man?
But the next
How
one
much the price?
You have one name, he was an ex-police.
381. Book you the party got around?
I want accident scene where the lady the panic drum and what have you when you do. Brazilian woman having a
Come on, sir.
right there now. Accident happened now. And he's still a woman and third part and you don't know wake about her. Yeah.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, anytime you ready, man.
Now pay me then and come move.
This is what the man do.
Yeah, I walk for a living. So I walk and showcase the natural ambiances in Jamaica, the whole vibe, the energy, the feel of the place. So it's like a documentation. I'm currently documenting.
I notice man to man I take up them type of work, yeah, I do this type of work.
Yes, so that's why when time Godfather come to me and tell me about illegal thing. If it's illegal, YouTube have to go shut down.
Yeah, man.
Like, what else? Hold on.
But me love the energy where the man them a put out.
Yeah, man, I saw you go, man.
Sit down and say, boy, father, me at 20 now, I'm not going, you know.
Hold on.
You get the gist?
Yeah,
But
yeah,
them
man.
Them no utilize, no time, no energy.
You
and
see,
do something.
you see, anyhow, you couldn't go out in public and film me, brother, and post it on YouTube. YouTube, all social media platforms have to go locked down.
Lockdown.
You understand? So you have to know the rights and the laws of what you're doing.
No, because you put.
You get what I say?
You do your research.
Yes,
before you
man.
start your work.
What is my brother? Notice you go up on YouTube and type in almost every video where see man walk in the street. And this is somebody out here I do a wrong thing. A man can video him and come beat him up and run him from the street. You know? You think they can catch trouble for it?
I hear the positive side to it now. You see, because of content creation, whole heap of people live a friend for 30 years, 40 years, and more and less. Glad to see videos like this.
Tell them say when
the development of Portmore and other places in Jamaica. Listen, I want to have this. Yes, to show say. I meet a girl, me not depend.
yeah, depend this now.
Me meet a girl, you know, man, just hold it up.
Social.
Social media, right. And her, she said, oh, it's Jamaica. And I let you know that shot fire anyway. Yeah. Because I not just Jamaica.
No man, Jamaica, listen to me.
Just Jamaica have crime.
Jamaica safe enough. Tell me, you ever see bomb drop down at this?
Exactly, yes. Yes. Same thing with the no bomb no drop.
You never see a bomb drop down at this yet. I'm playing a flyover and shot. Me over here sell and gunshot and beat from plane over there.
Shot, we shot road.
Listen to me. Me never see a plane and beat shot from plane yet. I boom up over said catch it out of Clarendon. How you mean?
Yeah.
We don't good man. Everywhere crime
the
man.
only thing with Jamaican, some of us is lazy.
Yeah man. That's true man. I don't matter, run me chain and I come go on here, because I don't far me I come go, because I tell the person I chat with you for you all day. And what kind of bag juice you have? Calls, if I no calls in, I don't want to put it to me, you know.
Big man, me have calls and me have with ice.
Me no want none with ice, you have want soft calls.
Alright, see that me I give you a $50 and I give you 40. So hold on. Make me keep dance and party.
Listen, you know what one bag juice though? Someone say see the calls, are the baddest thing too.
Yeah, man.
Much change left out of my money.
Me soon tell you, man.
Jesus Christ. Patty deer, hey, patty deer still, you know? Remember when you pay $17?
I did 760. So you got $850. So 150 left.
150 left?
Yeah.
You know what you do? Let me go on about my business. Take it.
Alright, more strong, my brother.
Yeah,
I'm doing no good.
I love and big up yourself.
Alright.
Go on. Take it easy, yeah?
Every day I have something.
Go and sell, man. You're good, youth.
Alright.
You see, it's a reason why Patty then sell off. Yes, man.
No, it's a reason why them they left you know.
Feel we?
Yeah, man,
Big up every time. Yeah, me teacher. Yes, man. That is it. Well, I'm actually a record right now. It's a tape. Yeah.
Sunshine Plaza. Right in there you find a new movie theater.
Yeah, man.
This is Sovereign Sunshine Plaza.
So I go make a walk through it and come out and get down there. So.
And we can walk right through and come out back up on the side.
You see, it is so good that you know a law. Because him as a photo man. You understand? When you're out in the public, my brother, and right now me I get recorded. Watch it. Look on camera for me. Right there, so now. See them there record me right now. They might ask me consent. And if they publish it or not. Even if them we say they're not publishing it.
So the movie theater inside here. And this just opened. TGI Fridays. New to Portmore. That's why we call this region Uptown Portmore.
It's an Uptown Portmore. So don't tell me say I want TGI Friday come over here and then over here and name Uptown Portmore now, you know.
Everything with Uptown over here. You have Wendy's, you have TGI Fridays, you have a whole heap of different food places in there. You know, Popeyes in there. You have Subway there. Everything we find Uptown, we just smack it one place and cram it one place and say Uptown Portmore.
Uptown Portmore.
Yeah, man.
Jesus, peace. I game shop this, sir. Me hear about the VR code place, sir. In the nice too, you know.
Never go in there.
In the nice one, I see it online.
Yeah.
It's a nice VR games and thing.
Newly open, fresh on the block, fresh the new kid on the block, you know.
American Bar and Grill.
Yeah.
TGI Fridays. Portmore with it. I don't even know how long the video gone. Jaja, must even forgive me. We tap and eat a patty. Now we are drink a Carlsberg juice. I say we don't need to try this either. I want the maddest thing, man. One time I don't want nothing, I have to try to get a Carlsberg juice. You just do it too. Brawl in a shit, would I say. And if you don't know, you know. That little tubes of ice, where's the maddest part? Yeah. Good amount of walking gone so far. I think this is the shoppers here.
Why?
I'm if it, brother. You know if I'm lying, I'm dying, bro. You know so I put on the people them. Carlsberg juice refreshing. Did it. Yeah man, the food court inside there too as well. I remember give them just a little sway. Me do a tour over here already, you know. Yeah. Alright, so I'm garbage, you know. See there, showing you a look of being a look how in a system. So see me a show now. Beautiful. I'm just going to look a synopsis of how inside here, so look. The food court.
Just tell them say lab where to test it.
Nice, good energy, man. Oh gosh.
5 minute break for the sun now.
Boy, it did needed. Because what, be honest. So massive, we're moving on. Nice vibe, nice energy, man. Portmore City. But you know, I never see no female when I can reason with and talk to it. And now, you don't realize. It's a whole heap of man we get to talk to. Hello, my friend. Eh? You don't realize I be a man we talk to so far? Alright, massive, we're outside. It's the S side.
This is new.
Eh?
This just recently wide.
No, we're not traveling, my boss.
Road
Come on, this is a road I did madly want to fix,
yeah,
man.
recently widening road.
Now try to cross. So, let's see if we can cross this one.
Since then widening it 2 times harder to cross.
This I get 2 times hard. Run. You can't see it there. Wow.
2 times harder to cross.
Yo. Yes, massive. We're there upon it. When last I walk so far?
Why?
You know, so as a youth, me just normally just do them something, bro.
This is because this YouTube thing, it become the norm. As you would have said, we walk for a living, though.
Yeah.
So it become the norm. Yeah.
Swear to
The
you, my brother.
exercise is good.
Exercise is great.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So we reach at the sitting there now. How much is it? The new
Hangway Plaza.
Angway Plaza. Manners.
What's your no trends?
Whoa, yo. I'm gonna get a nice picture. Other plaza. Beautiful, you know? The sun and beat. Yeah, man. I really taste this to you about juicy beef. I'm original, you know? Yeah, man. I always big up that one because my father used to be a manager feet, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, man, before he passed away. Great John Allen. Plaza actually bigger than me think. How much? 1, 2, 3 story.
And night time when it's light up,
Beautiful.
more than me, more you see on my social media. So yeah, we are uptown, we're in New York.
And then you, yeah. Yeah, man, over there pretty when the light up for true, man.
All of these things whenever over this side.
And Scotia.
Yeah.
Alright, that's what too. Look at them are widen out, the whole of the part are come down too. So some of the places them over there so right now, I say Super 11 Imperial. I say, no, oh, pretty much, I just see place in Super 11. And we say, wow, I see sign them on the door. Most of the places them not have the sign on the door them, man.
Some of them work, man, some not work me. Some.
See juicy patties over there for real. Source food over there. You understand? Yeah, couple places over there, man. The big door, boy. Portmore, me there look good.
IBX workers, them chill spot.
Over there.
Yeah, man, catch them.
Ibex the next door.
Yeah, triple tower. America twin tower, them have triple tower.
Alright, massive. I'm gonna go through. We'll go through here, so now we are move. Oi, oi. This is it. So everybody has to where place look like you know, right? No complain. Mad.
Journey still continue.
Yes, man. So we just reach the new Fontana. I don't know price mark the next door. Alright, that's a feel cool though, boy. That I like one of the best spot we get so far.
The last pole up there, sir. The last point of the hill.
Last pole.
You see the road?
Yeah, man, I see look like a stretch
come
there.
all the way down at the Braeton foot there, sir.
Oh, Zin. Good look a walk. Alright, see if we can do it now. Whoa, yo. I must say center camera is where we're going. I try to get some cross, you know? Alright, over time, man. Voila. Come through that. Alright, Godfather, give it.
All of that I shall see.
Yeah, man, feel good. So, the next thing when I always talk about in my video, them say, big up Fontana Pharmacy. The first place where actually me reach out to, you know, and say, when Fontana open for Waterloo, I send them an email and say, boy, I like to do a tour of Fontana Pharmacy for my channel. I have 4,000 subscribers at the time. And I get the manager, and the manager did reach out back to me and I say, all right then, no problem, I must link her for when time I want to confirm a date and a time with her, and she can confirm it, see if it can work. And I confirm everything and I link her, and she said, yeah man, she can work with that. I know, so I go, I walk out the Fontana for Waterloo Road, talk to the worker, them show almost everything with Fontana have to offer. And a bunch of things like that. It was a very nice video.
2 times over there?
No, that was the first time.
Yeah. I'm going to see you go back there.
Yeah man, I go there with Lexi.
Yeah.
And then now, you know, so one time I leave, they give me a nice gift basket. Yeah. Me get a nice gift basket from them over there at Fontana Pharmacy. So, big up Fontana Pharmacy every time, every one of them branches them. You understand? But the one actually with there, a Waterloo Road, a blessing man to you and your whole family. You know what I mean? So, go through mommy. So, if you see, at the time, I only have like 4,000 subscribers, she give me the run. Now, we're there way up at 300,000. I feel like I would have got there, but now, go see if she's still there and give her a link, you know what I mean, and talk to her and say, boy, I make something of myself with the channel, you know? Yeah, thanks for believing in me and thing, for give me the opportunity. I don't remember her name, to tell you the God truth. But at the time, she was like the manager for the Fontana branch there in Kingston, which is the Waterloo version. The one with the right part Waterloo, off Waterloo Road, that's across from the Canadian Embassy. So, if somebody know her, you know, bless her up for me and big her up the right way. Tell them say walk by no top talk about them, bro. Cause she give me right. I mean, I said, nice to go gift basket, you know, a couple of goodies tonight and thing. I mean, I say, well appreciated. And guess what? You see me shop the video? Yeah. The video actually going good, you know? Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, the video actually going good because people say, wow, Fontana. Yeah. I small things in a Fontana. And then at the time of them alone, they have the escalator inside. Because they have an escalator to go upstairs, you know. Yeah. So like me, you know, my first time I go up on one. So they record me going on it. So it was crazy. Yeah, then the next place I give me a nice bus to is Active Home Center. Because I used to do a lot of those, you know. I used to do a lot of those, you know. Like reach out, you see it? It might kill if it just come right, that's when it could have just stop. So you see, I used to do a lot of places like that. So like Active Home Center. Yeah. I do a tour of Active Home Center, to a full tour, like walk with one of the workers inside, put on a mic panel and thing. That was beautiful. Big up to Active Home Center. And I think that's one of my first video to a run off. Yeah. Well, a lot of persons did draw attention to Jamaica Walk By. Because I just did a film like how I do now and just walk through the whole thing.
Famous 100 man.
100 man police station we reach and how massive. See, they look good. Over here, so now when you feel like you're a bad boy, you come talk to them, man, you know. 100 man police station.
So 100 man, not just for Portmore, they go all the way back to Spanish Town, all the way back to, I think, all the way back.
100 man.
Yeah, so they stretch wide, and most people wonder why they would have used a 100 man to stretch so far. And the work, the effectiveness of them work. The work what them put out, yeah. Trust me, if your name come up, them will come for you.
Them will come for you.
So put on a gun.
Yeah.
Leave the crime.
Everything like
Take
that.
Up a camera.
Go find something to do.
Find something to do.
Yeah. Illegal if you out here in the street, you hear?
Yeah.
So you can walk and film and video and And do do something else where you probably like, you see me? 100-man police station. I've heard so many stories about this place. You wouldn't understand. So much stories about this place. Alright, massive, let's go. The Caribbean Estate that over there, so. Caribbean Estate. Is it behind that one? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's another gated community.
All along, I normally think it was a part of Caribbean Estate, you know.
It's a new municipality building. Recently built.
Municipal.
They could say Portmore White House.
Like legit, that's what it look like, you know. Portmore White House, it's true. It looks just like something vintage but new. Municipal Corporation. Okay. And my boy said this new. Well, I know me go put the camera through this, I get a good look of it. Watch it, here we go. Nice. Big and white. Over there clean and nice. That's a code. Let's continue. I must say we are yep up with step. We soon finish, we soon reach the end. So anywhere we go. Anybody who is watching this far, I just want to say thank you so much. You understand? We're there with my brother, Grace Walks, Vlog, TV.
Please like, share and subscribe, people. It's my privilege to support my brother Jamaica Walk By. I'm going to support everybody.
Real way.
Real way. Yeah man, so people, a series is doing. So please, I hope you guys that has been asking for the series Portmore, to see Portmore, you enjoy this video.
That's a code.
Coming to you by popular demand.
I figured that.
Yeah.
So we don't know how much series I'm going to do over here, but it's going to be a few.
Yeah.
Let me get a front view of this place. I look good here, man. Can't work, man. Yes, man. Nice. Alright, let's go. Why people them will watch this far there? Blessings and respect, man. Thank you. No. Everybody will actually watch this far. You see me? Heart of love and respect. I actually like that walk here, you know, to tell you the truth. Enough said enough taxi I run. Look like we can get good taxi fee.
That we forgot to tell you. 20 road
20 route.
is known for the most taxi.
But why?
Because alright, the bus system over here run timely, sometimes not untimely. So taxi capitalize in between. Right? So take off some of the coast of them off of the road.
Yeah.
And you don't have enough bus to replace. So the taxi man them now capitalize on that. So you have more taxi than you have customer.
Shaja. So why them not shift up? Them not move.
So them saw one of the fastest route.
Oh, the fastest route.
Yeah.
Oh,
The movers and the shakers, people always are going back and forth.
ah, gotcha. Makes sense then. I guess because of the Ipa Plaza, people always come to the shopping center them are. So.
It's because it's summertime now, people are outside.
Oh my word, that's something I got dreadful with though.
Oh gosh. Feel it already.
Somebody I got dreadful. So we know. So what we there now? Oh, yeah, yeah. Alright, it's a foul. Respect. Two not. You know what I go do? I go over there, so. I go walk some more in that shade. That's me not burn up all the camera. I weed this now. Camera look like you want to get overheat. See if I can cool off a little bit.
Battery life good for the camera.
Yeah, man. But it show me now say it get hot. So I try to see if I can get little coolings while we get a nice little view of the place.
The DJ Asma told me I believe I have a GoPro.
Brother, if first time I use one GoPro, I say, nah man, this is not it. And it. That they have to just take snippet and chuck off in the water, bro, and ride in a dirty environment and everything. That make fine now. It's an action camera. Nah, trouble. This is a more cinematic filming camera, bro. All right, away, so. Must say we walk for everybody who can walk. Because I know say all of my elders them way can't take on that journey. And you know see it for a long time, you can look upon it and say, yeah, this is how the place look, this is how the vibe is. And thing, you understand? So walk by there, I walk for everybody who can get to do it. Portmore Country Club. Clean and nice. Nice. Them part I get cool because of the trees. Oh yeah. So nice. Yeah, look like somebody yard this. Somebody build up one tent on one of them trees. Speeder. Now look at this. Alright, that's how my boy live, you know. Bed and everything. Bro G just casually living.
Comfortable.
Yeah.
Why?
Bro G just casually living right there, so. The whole Jamaica we yard. I tell you, man. Man's living. Hi, FM, you good? Eh? How you see you live? My blouse and skirt. You want some money, you know?
We go with tough crackers and things. I'm not for the sugar and water and tough crackers.
Hey boy, look like you're comfortable on that tree. You ready to go and ease yourself?
From 2023, 2022. 2022. I lose me out of the 2023. So,
come out here, so I lose
So
my
then
right.
I government official, them not troubling you.
No, all the people are part of them, they on government property.
Eh.
No other place can find and get myself. I'm telling you, nothing now about I can't get myself no here now.
So over here you always live all along?
No, you still live over that scheme now.
You still live over the scheme?
Yeah, my people still live over that scheme now. Over there, some lose my mother thing.
Hey, so what make you out here, so?
Why the community people say I need to do better for myself. They
Yeah,
say I need to get
Jesus.
bathroom, you can change to us beard and defecate. All them things that I do is private for the big opening, you see me?
Yeah.
People support me them phone and that.
Yeah, you know since you come over here, so me give you a small thing. Not too much, you know, go too much, you know, but you don't know. I look for say this a change that I can find. Big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah, respect.
But go and do it, but
Yeah.
I don't know how long you can stay here so far still, but you probably have to try to figure it out, cause
I'm not trying to post my head.
you know, so them pretty community over here, so them a go want you move.
I'm not trying to people.
You get what I say? Just keep it clean then.
Yeah.
Make sure you keep it clean until then.
I'm sure, man.
Asa?
Everything shy.
But you look like you're comfortable though. Look cool and nice.
Pain now make me lie down, man.
Eh?
Under some pain for a couple months and now a week now.
What kind of pain?
Under my seat back.
Lord Jesus, and you got a doctor go check it out?
We not got doctor yet.
You have to go to Spanish Town Hospital, man.
Doctor feet, man.
No, man, go to Spanish Town Hospital, man, where you can get.
Now look on it now one day, man.
Then now go show you, man, we no cost you, man. Go to Spanish Town, public hospital, you have to go here.
That's not good.
Alright, big up yourself, because that not sound good.
Well, none of both that them you can't get on. Nobody here is pretty than animal.
No, me don't know nobody, you know.
There's none, man. You can't.
But listen to me, take the pain serious, man. You have to go walk in one hospital, them go tell them what happened to you, yeah? Eh? Alright, yeah, man, bless up yourself. Yeah, you can't have a pain there and then say I feel pain underneath in seed bag. You can't feel a pain under in seed bag and a beat it and it look like it a beat him bad.
Yeah.
And him just say, boy, I'm not going yet. Me understand him probably not so well, but he can't still somebody.
The thing is, he say he used to live in a scheme.
Yeah, but it can be anything why he can't go back in there. So I feel out here, so sometimes I feel a road when probably used to walk. Make him can't walk back certain road. You understand? But I have an idea him feel pain like anybody else. So I know I go feel away and thing. But he can't feel them pain there and not go check it out. Right now my head start at me too bad, more and go check you out. I go find some bush.
Manza Daytona community.
Then call this?
Manza Daytona community.
Manza Daytona communities. Yes, see it. We're moving on. I'm surprised him did it so long.
Yeah,
With
that's
them
why
people that will live over country club.
That's why they asking so he knew the policy people them move him.
Boy, when this a video you go drop, you know, them probably we drive past her back we not see him. Jesus. What's him?
Our fault, people.
One thing with Jamaica Walk By serious, that's why certain things, you know. You know it alone about this $1. $1 look like he can't grow. I said, let me take you up. He can't grow this at all. My thing is, we look at video, man, how to blow out. And the video go drop, but a 2 week he can get.
Cause go.
Yeah. That's a cool. This walk a reason it's our family, you know? Yeah. We're definitely moving on. Let's park up. Yeah, cause maybe somebody park them up have enough. Can't easy now. Oh, I know me just walk down from that stretch there over this and go straight down.
Over there, sir.
Yeah. You don't realize?
You can cross over the morning.
You know go straight down instead of, cause here is empty. So might as well.
You can go back
We no can walk, go straight down, man.
You can go back there, so you can go across the border. Up there.
I could use that one over, sir. I mean, I wonder if we can just walk and stretch. So, what people them can see. So in Jamaica, you see me? Something we wouldn't typically do like this. You get me? That's what.
Different looking at Portmore.
Yeah.
Different style of walk.
It's what Nooney does to us in Nooney Tree.
Right now we go down walk past your gateway or your grandmother's gateway.
Easily. Watch out, mad. Mitsubishi Silica. Yeah, I feel much better now. We're active. Can see what I'm going. Walk go straight down so you can see how the community kind of set up. Because when I reach the inner city part of the community, them yet in a massive.
The thing about it is, most of them houses when they get them, they get them as a quad. Right?
Yeah.
They utilize up the
Space.
them and just build up.
Yeah, because I like how they do some of them, make them nice and modern, man. Garbage collection, look at garbage collection not going for a while. Yeah, same thing like down on my yard too, man.
You have some places where them come more than some places.
Bro, they have 3 garbage drum on my yard, but the whole 3 of them are front full.
Yes, we said have some quad them get and the people just build up.
Good evening.
People just use up the space and then get and build up.
Yeah. Good evening. Whole I was enjoying on Pandasha China is like, why me no know?
Yeah. Some people get the corner like them.
Yeah.
The house they have a class but go back on the side.
Now, we can, yeah, we can try to go right down. I try to think out of my box. What I would normally do. See, I want park, it look like you don't even really use it. Or we can walk through this and go around. I wonder if we can do that. Because there's some kids around there, so we must can do that.
Try nothing done.
Yeah. Nice. But them can see what I'm going. Now this is cool. Bang bang. You ever come to the place, huh?
Never actually walk through it. You drive through.
Oh, see? Gotcha. Oh,
This is the
yeah.
first time walking through.
Never nice to go park, man. Nice park and thing. Wow. So good. Well, over here it's not that bad. Man. Yeah.
Say I walk through.
I don't know if this look like it can walk through. It look like it black one bridge. So one lady there walk down there so.
Yeah.
I make go see what it look like. See if we just want to give them some. Yeah, make them see it. Yes, man. So them this look like front and back of people house are. Yeah, so them normally look. Make them look like a house, you know?
really developed over the years. From a far, far,
Godfather. Blessed.
from a far, 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 far away.
Oh, I want actually one road. Hey, people, you can last at Portmore, you know, massive. You can stay there.
So everywhere looking like you see it.
Yeah?
That's people that said about Portmore.
You will last, man.
So we can walk go back out from
And it look like we can go straight down, cause right eye. Sitting the part of the road we want to go. You see? Can go so. See if we can go down some more. Okay. On the one next road, the down there so we can take a left. You good? Good evening, Grandma. Yeah, trees them may make a difference. This is people just living, you know? Papa, good afternoon, man. Everything all right?
Yes, so far.
I'm gonna water them plants.
Yes, yes.
All right, take it easy. Yes, next one that we will reach out on. Can walk, or we could take that one now.
So I'm gonna bring you up to the bridge.
Yeah. Beautiful. People that are living out now, I realize a couple elders are them the women, you know?
Yeah.
Go on,
Look out.
look out and live, you know, probably do all the hard work already. So I want to get easy about myself, you know, and travel and them things when time I get old, you know, bro. Be a travel, I want to travel, you know.
Oh, God, man. That's half my language, bro.
Yeah, bro. Tell her the truth. Yeah, nice little bridge here.
Yeah, man.
Smooth and nice. Why me did love the look of house walking go right down. You miss one next one probably. Walk through it, all me that fat me eye, you know. Yeah, but fat me eye that look how go hard, man, but we so reach to where we come to the end of this video, this episode. You see me?
So we're close to the next runabout.
Mommy, how you doing? Good day. Yes, sir.
This is the ending of Daytona Manza scheme.
Manza scheme. Oh, see you later there. Could I still walk, go straight down and come through Daytona down or so? Someone say, me tell us we are going to do it and we are do it. So them video, you know, you can watch, pick up, come back to it. Or keep watching until we reach your place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I guarantee somebody will say in a comment say, you just walk past me hand.
You think of that? I say walk by if you walk just a little bit further.
Yeah.
You reach me ends in my stamping ground. You see me? So over there now. So I don't know what time is it. And it's all about Portmore. Look good. Nice. So we just passed Daytona, so you have the Daytona scheme over there, so see them there. Me too, that me would have do too.
And then ease off the road. Pull out.
Best thing that. Yeah, yo, it's one coolie plum tree. Is that me don't know why coolie plum tree always grow near to where school is. So the kids then can read it. Cause it's school over here, so.
Yeah, it's Ascot Infant School.
Ascot Infant School. Yeah. So, see coolie plum tree there, right center camera, massive Jamaica. We knew about that something here. You understand? As kids growing up, them tree are always the nearby, coolie plum. So when this beer, whole we snack this, I don't have none upon it. Yeah man, but me tell us, sit there and go right round, look. To feed the kids them. Cause me tell us how me used to read them. Yo, me used to carry a salt from my yard and have in my bag. Jeez and peace, look at none of the penny. The tree empty now for you. Yeah. Oh my word, massive, we're doing it. It's a beautiful walk today. And me there my brother Grace Walk, Vlog TV. And as you can see there, coolie plum. Most of it grew up on that plum there. Love it to the max. Actually reach for the shades today. Ease off the glare off of the eyes, you know. But yeah, it's been a beautiful walk. Watching our walk through bush in a Portmore. And we'll walk underneath them tree too. Mighty to the tomb. Long ahead. Yeah, so work as a nice little ends to my brother. Nice and cool. Yeah. Yeah, massive, mighty. So this is the coolie plum tree we're talking. No plum that the right here now, but it is great. So, bro G, I'm gonna make a walk that side there and just go around. Since the school is around that side there, forward out the entrance down there. So.
Yes, so this is Ascot Primary School. Yeah. It's a primary, this is the high school.
Oh, so Ascot actually have an eye.
Yeah. Purple uniform, purple and grey. Yeah. It's an original Ascot High School. Yeah, man. So pick up everybody that went to this school, have a son or a daughter and never went to Ascot School.
I never know that Ascot, there was a high school over here, so now I know too. And this is a playground, field and thing. So let's go through. Beautiful. Beautiful, love it. You don't feel like you're school you go?
Yeah.
Just by walking a while ago, I just feel like I go to school.
School over, I walk a
Yeah, it just gave me one nice little flashback a while ago. And it felt great. It felt great.
Nice school fit you to keep over here, sir.
Panafila?
Over it's nice school there, man.
Oh, over there.
Yeah, man. Nice school fit.
So see school eh? Ascot High School, the purple and the orange. So, here she talking a gypsy. Look at gypsy things still are going at school.
Yes.
I have to wonder if a Jamaican develop the language there. You know, me still never learn it.
Yeah?
Mm-mm.
But she attack it in a different way, because some people say Malapa, this, and some people say me pick up out the pesepo.
So what that mean? What that you just say?
Say me I go there so. Me lipi alapa call up out the pese. Me can't say it side. But people say it in a two different way.
Bro, I know me not catch it.
Yeah. Jamaican gypsy or pig Latin or whatever
Yeah.
you call it.
But that been around from me, my time, gypsy. I still never catch it, but remember one time I used to have some girl in my class at primary school named Kerrian. I didn't talk straight.
Yeah. Code.
And you see more than talk it,
Fluent.
and the more than get fluent on it. Then upon what about GDP, and then just a talk to one another, you can't understand. I know me still never learn it.
Coming up to the next roundabout. Straight and Portmore, one care go to Caribbean Estate, one care from 18 route, Braeton Road, origin of Braeton Road.
Yeah, you're stamping ground. It's been a beautiful walk, man, I'm telling you. Love it. A good walk, you know, bro? Yeah, man, I want a good walk, man. But I like it still. Because now I do it, I realize I don't come to Portmore that often. That I realize now, I really don't circle them in there so often. Need to start the better. So, Portmore series. I wonder how much of them you can do.
As much as possible, how much I son you can do it. And Portmore son, it's
Why?
baking. It's baking.
As soon as I start frying, I forget about it. Watch out my top. Just as you catch him, bro. You make a G with him pants and knee run left you. Oh God. Bro, G pants there knee and you couldn't catch him.
You go for a man pants.
Eh? Nine knee and you couldn't catch him. Go watch you yourself. Dog just go bush tiger for 1 minute and lost him. I don't go do it. I'm one thing, man. You know what I in for, man? I in for, yeah. Sure, man, for that goalie. Oh, God.
Man will accept your bills and next one and load him up.
I tell you what. Alright, boss, if it's alright, that's how we say we're going to stop it today. We did it today. It's always a blessing. To God be the glory if we actually do something we say we want to do and do it. Yes, man. Look good. We're there. Father God, good, we did it. Look at it. See there? We're there, man. Yeah, so that's what we're there now. So we're right at the intersection of Old Braeton Road and up on New Henderson Boulevard with us in Braeton Parkway. So Braeton Parkway where we are forward from our center camera. Where I look across this is up on New Henderson Boulevard. That's the walk where I go walk next. You understand? Because since we done there, you know, I will figure it out as to what we are going to do. You see me? So, let's do it like that. Oh my word. Good. Funny place. So we said we are going to do it and we did it. Machine. Yes, massive. So if you enjoy the video, please me ask if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet. Subscribe to the channel. Me across, Grace. Someone say it's been a great walk, great Friday afternoon walk, and it's been lovely. I enjoyed it. I fully appreciate everybody will actually stay tuned and walk this far. You get me? So, a blessing, on top of a blessing, every time. You see me? So, oh my word. Beautiful. So, thank you so much for watching the video. And I see how far we walk, you know, supposed to enjoy it, me just rest myself right as up on the look up spot here. And thing, oh mighty. So, big up in all my Jamaica Walk By massive. Everybody will stay tuned and watch the entire video. You know me say it enough time. All my members, all my subscribers, please go over. You see the link right below the video here to my new channel, The Walk By. Believe you me, massive. I'm telling you from now, it's a channel that you should subscribe to. I'm also writing my first 1,000 subscribers on my wall of fame at my house. So if you comment now, if you follow the channel right now, just drop a comment over there on the live video and I will take your name and put it on my wall of fame if you know say you subscribe. So me there with my brother, Grace walk him actually over there, so I'll go and do him thing. And we're there. So also my members, thank you so much for subscribing for membership. You can join the Jamaica Walk By family and subscribe for membership. It's just $1 per month, you see me? So yeah, a blessing man. Big up my G, yo, Noel, big up Eyebrow, big up everybody out there where do the hard work and thing. I know it's a long video and as you can still see, Jamaica is lovely, Jamaica is nice. And but while we have to just learn to appreciate the blessing of life, you can get up out of your bed and go walk and live. That is the greatest thing. Grace walk! So, I'm going to make him forward and hear what he wants to say. You see me? Because it's a series of Portmore video I do right now. So, when I look out for the next vlog, I'm not sure if we are going to do the New Henderson Road or I'm not sure yet. So, I'm going to reason it out now and say which one best for we do. So, Grace! Oh, he might close. She bro G. Yeah, me I close and I say, come tell them, talk to them, look a bit, make them see what I go on.
People. I thank you guys for reaching out to Jamaica Walk By and, you know, asking to come and
do
walk
Portmore.
Portmore City, you know. This is a special moment and this is coming to you by popular demand. Big up on yourself. Thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing to Jamaica Walk By and also check out my channel, Grace Walk Vlog TV. Yes? Check out my channel, please. Like, share and subscribe. You hear people, so Jamaica Walk By, where I say?
We're there, man. Big up on yourself and take it easy, you know anything, go just support. Don't just watch, like and drop your thoughts in the comment section. Seeing? But outside, mad love, mad respect to everybody right across the world.
Yeah, man.
So I'm linked in the description right below on your seat.
Yeah.
Heart of love, respect. On to the next one. Mad something.
Yeah, man. So Grace Walk signing out and another one. Yes, sir.